This is a table I built several years ago. It's made from Bubinga. The top is dinged up. I'm gonna go ahead and refinish that. I'm gonna sand it down, get a good nice new finish on it, wipe everything down, maybe put a fresh coat of finish on the entire thing. If you look under the leg right here, there's a hidden spot. For every piece of woodworking I do, I make a hidden compartment to leave notes. So I'll show you more detail of that here in a little bit. Let's get started on it. Removing the copper plate that holds the spot I drilled in to hide a note to future generations of my family. Every woodworking project I do, I make some sort of secret compartment. When I installed these, I used beeswax on the screw once everything was pre-drilled, and it seems to have worked really good for allowing me to remove these brass screws. Since it's a small project, I'm just going to use some rattle can lacquer. I'm going to try gloss. I usually go with satin, but we'll see because I'm going to use this also on the teardrop. Probably 2 to 3 coats with a light buff in between. Between coats, I'm going to use ultra fine Scotch-Brite pads, just to prep the surface area slightly. You're not looking to sand through it, just kind of knock it down a little, smooth it out. Now every consecutive layer of lacquer will blend right in. Here's a note to my mom. Hopefully to be found in future generations. Today I'm going to begin by transferring the vining roses over to the table that they're actually going to go on. It's a little different. I think this was 18 inches. This might be 19 or 20 inches. I don't remember. I built this years ago. But I'm going to do the final fit. Not the final, but close to. Make sure the roses are okay. Transfer them back over. Refinish the top of this table. And hopefully be able to close this out this week. Might even get the butterflies mounted today. I don't know. We'll just have to see. We'll hit it. Today is going to be the beginning of the end, finally. I've got I'm gonna do the final fit of the roses, tighten all the loose ones up, which I just now here felt one, and attach the butterflies. I've got the teardrop ready to start finishing. I'm gonna do a clear coat of gloss lacquer on that. And from there, I believe the project will be finished after a year. So here we go, let's get started. We're going to start doing to attach the butterflies. I've got the threaded rod sticking out. I'm going to take a 632 nut, run it down. You choose the distance you want. I'm picking pretty close to the edge of the top of the petal there. And we might not have to clean this one up much. Let's find out. New videos are going to be posted every week on Wednesdays, 10 a.m.